If your Tesla Model 3 or Model Y displays cabin climate control system requires service, it means the heating or cooling system has detected a fault. This warning is more common in vehicles exposed to extreme heat or cold, and while it can sound serious, many cases are caused by simple airflow or sensor issues. The key is to follow a logical troubleshooting order before assuming a major repair is needed. Important steps. 1. Start by checking and replacing the cabin air filter, since clogged filters are the most common cause of this warning. 2. After replacing the filter, restart the vehicle and see if the message clears. 3. If the alert remains, perform a system reset by safely disconnecting the 1-2-volt battery to clear temporary glitches. 4. Check for available Tesla software updates, as newer versions improve climate system diagnostics. 5. If the issue persists, schedule service so technicians can scan for specific climate control error codes. 6. Review warranty coverage, as most climate related repairs are typically covered within the standard warranty period.